Hello, my name is Felix and welcome back to Felix Folds. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an origami simple bird. This is what it looks like. This bird is able to peck like this if you grab the end and move it like that. Now let's make it. First, we start with a paper upside down on the table. Now we fold it in half. Now we unfold it. Now we will fold the corners into the center. Now, we will make sure that this line is facing this way. We will fold this edge down into the center. Now we will do the same on the other side. Now, we fold it in half so that it is like this. Now, we take this, we unfold it, we bend this down, and then we unbend it and fold it so that it looks like this. Now, we will add the eyes. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye!